You can choose to install Skype to click to call or not. I'm not going to this time because I have limited space on the virtual machine environment. You probably don't want to make MSN your homepage. MSN kind of, yeah, let's just let that trail off there. Okay, now that it's finally come up, we're going to click on create an account. And wait a Okay. And now that we're here, we will set up a Skype account. And that will be me. I'm going to set up a Skype account today for my tailoring shop. So I'm not going to use my real name because public video. Okay, first name, last name, email address twice, birthday. Fuck that. You can select personal conversations or business conversations now. We'll go with personal conversations since this is since this tutorial is probably mostly for people using it for personal uses. Right. So that was fairly straightforward. So what we've done here is, it's yelling at me about my password. Okay. So first name in the first name box, last name in the last name box, email address, repeat email, birthday, country, city. I haven't put my mobile phone number in because I don't want random people from the internet calling me. Skype name. See if I get my password. It can go to itself. Then inform me about new products, etc. I enter the captcha text and press I agree. And then wait. Signing in, please wait. Okay. There, and there are optional things you can do with your profile if you should choose. So sign in. The sign in page, there's not much to say about it. While that's signing in, so now it comes up with this screen. Continue. And I did not hear a test sound. Why did I not hear a test sound? I don't know. Okay, we'll pretend that those sound and video tests worked, because they should have. You can add a picture now or add it later, and you add later. Now, using Skype. And there it is. You can add contacts. I'm actually going to go to contacts and I'm going to add a contact. I am going to search the Skype directory for my regular Skype account. There I am. And add to contacts. On the dark. Contact request sent, and then when I accept the thing on my other Skype account, I will be added to my own Skype. Yeah, so that's that. That's how you set up Skype.